Yo, what's up guys? BB here. Hope you're all doing fantastic today. I've got a story for you that's going to blow your mind. It's about transformation, growth, and believe it or not, samosas. Yeah, you heard me right, samosas. So let's dive right in. So, imagine this. You're chilling, eating samosas, and someone says you can go from like clueless to genius in a year. Sounds crazy, right? I mean, who would believe that munching on these delicious snacks could be the start of something so profound? But hey, life is full of surprises. Well, I met this girl super sharp, and she was all about this transformation thing. She had this energy, this vibe that made you want to listen. She wasn't just talking the talk, she was walking the walk. She had gone through this incredible journey herself and was now on a mission to help others do the same. At first I was like, yeah, right, and I can fly to the moon on this samosa. I mean, come on, it sounded too good to be true. But then, she started breaking it down for me. She talked about the power of mindset, the importance of setting clear goals, and how small, consistent actions can lead to massive changes over time. But she started talking about mindset, goals, all that stuff. She explained how our thoughts shape our reality and how by changing our thinking patterns, we can change our lives. It was like a light bulb went off in my head. I realized that maybe, just maybe, there was something to what she was saying. And you know me, I gotta see what's up. I started doing my own research, reading books, watching videos, and talking to people who had gone through similar transformations. The more I learned, the more intrigued I became. It was like opening a door to a whole new world of possibilities. So, buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. We're going on a journey together, exploring the secrets of transformation, and who knows, maybe we'll all come out a little bit wiser, a little bit sharper, and a whole lot more inspired. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. So this girl, let's call her Ria, she was passionate, man. She's like, anyone can unlock their potential. I'm thinking, easy for you to say, you probably eat textbooks for breakfast. But she challenged me. 1 year, that's all it takes. Now, I'm not saying I'm dumb, but genius level, that's a whole new level. Ria, she's cool about it. She's like, it's not about being Einstein overnight. It's about pushing your limits, dude. Challenge accepted, Ria. Let's do this. Challenge. First things first, Ria says. Mindset is everything. She's talking about believing in yourself, even when you mess up. Like, remember that time I tried to bake a cake and set the microwave on fire? Epic fail. But Ria, she's like, mistakes are proof you're trying. She told me about this basketball player, Michael Jordan. Dude got cut from his school team. Can you imagine? But he didn't give up. He kept practicing. And look what happened. NBA legend. See, mindset. Next up, goals. Not just any goals, but smart goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Sounds complicated? Nah, it's like climbing Mount Everest, one step at a time. Ria broke it down for me. Let's say you want to learn guitar. Don't just say, I want to be a rock star. Start small. Learn a chord a week, then a song a month. Before you know it, you'll be jamming like a pro. It's all about those small wins, building momentum.
Now, I'm all about instant results, but Ria, she's all about the process. She's like, Rome wasn't built in a day, Buvan. Okay, I get it. She told me about this Japanese thing called Kaizen. It's about making tiny improvements every single day. Like, imagine improving 1% each day. Sounds small, right? But compound that over a year and boom, you're like 37 times better. Crazy, right? Small steps, big results. Section 6, the power of yet. Here's the thing. Learning new stuff can be tough. It's like climbing a steep mountain, where every step feels like a struggle. You might feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information or the complexity of the task at hand. There were times when I felt like giving up. The frustration of not getting it right, the constant failures, and the feeling of inadequacy can be crushing. It's easy to think that maybe you're just not cut out for it. But Ria, she had this magic word, yet. She would always remind me that not understanding something now doesn't mean I won't ever understand it. It's just a matter of time and effort. You don't understand this concept yet. That single word, yet, holds so much power. It transforms a statement of failure into a statement of potential. It tells you that your current state is not permanent. You haven't reached your goal yet. It means that the journey is still ongoing and there's still room for growth and improvement. It encourages you to keep pushing forward, to keep striving for better. See, that yet changes everything. It shifts your mindset from a fixed one to a growth-oriented one. It opens up possibilities and gives you hope. It makes you realize that your efforts are not in vain. It's like a reminder that you're on a journey. Every step you take, every challenge you face, is a part of that journey. And just because you haven't reached your destination yet, doesn't mean you won't. It's like when Sachin Tendulkar started playing cricket. He wasn't born a cricket legend. He had to work hard, face failures, and learn from his mistakes. He wasn't a god then, right? He was just a young boy with a dream, and a lot of determination. He had to put in countless hours of practice and endure many setbacks. But he practiced, he learned, and the rest is history. His journey is a testament to the power of yet. It shows that with perseverance and hard work you can achieve greatness. So yeah, embrace the yet. Embrace the journey, the struggles, and the growth. Remember that every failure is just a step towards success. And that you might not be there yet, but you will be. Section 7, Perseverance, the secret sauce. So we talked about mindset, goals, all that. Setting goals is crucial and having the right mindset is essential. But what really makes the difference? What truly separates those who succeed from those who don't? It's perseverance. But the real secret sauce? Perseverance. It's that unwavering determination to keep going, no matter what obstacles come your way. It's about pushing through the hard times, the failures, and the setbacks. It's about sticking to it, even when things get tough. When you're climbing a mountain, every step feels harder than the last. When you're training in the gym, every rep feels like it could be your last. But you keep going, because you know that the reward is worth the struggle. Remember those samosas I love? They didn't just appear perfectly cooked on my plate. They took time, effort, and a lot of perseverance. Imagine trying to make them for the first time. You gather all your ingredients, follow the recipe to the letter, and yet, things don't go as planned. You'll probably mess up the dough, it might be too sticky or too dry. The filling might spill out and the samosas might not hold their shape. It can feel like a disaster. But you keep trying, you don't give up. You clean up the mess, you start over, and you try again. Each time you get a little better. You learn from your mistakes, you adjust your technique, you seek advice, maybe even take a cooking class. You keep refining your skills, and eventually, you make the perfect samosa. That's perseverance, baby. It's the same in every aspect of life. Whether it's your career, your personal goals, or your relationships, perseverance is the key to success. Never give up on what you believe in. Keep pushing forward, keep striving for excellence, and remember that every failure is just a stepping stone to success. Perseverance is the secret sauce that makes everything possible. Section 8, from fool to genius? So 1 year later, am I a genius? Well, I wouldn't say genius, but I'm definitely not the same guy who started. I learned new skills, pushed my boundaries, even surprised myself sometimes. The journey was tough, no doubt. But it was also amazing. I realized that the fool to genius thing, it's not about a label. It's about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself. And that's something anyone can do, even you. Section 9, your journey starts now. So guys, that's my story. Big shout out to Ria for opening my eyes.
Remember, you have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Want to unlock your potential? Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to FBS Growth School for more awesome content. Let's do this!